hurt me too. Did you think revenge will make it better? I don't care about the past, I just want a love to last. There's a way to bring us back together. I must forgive you, and you must forgive me too. If we wanna try to put things back the way they used to be. 'Cause there's no sense in going over and over the same things as before. So let's not bring the past back anymore. Out of all the good we had, you only keep track of the bad. Though you knew I never really loved her. No, 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 no. Didn't anyone tell you yet? To forgive is to forget. How can you be mad if you don't remember? I must forgive you, you must forgive me too. If we wanna try to put things back the way they used to be. 'Cause there's no sense in going over and over the same things as before. So let's not bring the past back anymore. Forgive you, and you must forgive me too. It's the only thing that's left that we haven't tried to do. But one thing that I'm sure will work that we haven't tried before. Let's not bring the past back anymore. Here we are at the crossroads once again. You're telling me you're so confused, you can't make up your mind. Is this meant to be? You're asking me, but only love can save. Drug and a walk away, but I believe for you and me the sun will shine one day. So I just play my part and pray you'll have a change of heart. But I can make you see it through. That's something only love can do. As the dawn is breaking, face to face and 1,000 miles apart, I've tried my best to make you see there's hope beyond the pain. If we give enough, if we learn to trust, but only love can save. Try again or walk away, but I believe for you and me the sun will shine one day. So I just play my part, pray you'll have a change of heart, but I can make you see it through. That's something only love can do. I know if I could find the words to touch you deep inside, you'd give our dream just one more chance.